Okay, we have kind of a totaled truck. It was kind of wrecked in the front, but I bought it because we were doing some fitment things in it, and so we kind of keep it around. We've had a lot of customers ask us, hey, do you have anything for the OBS4 trucks? And we've got a Coyote swap kit. If you got an F-150 like this, just do a Coyote in it. Don't do Godzilla in it. This is not a Godzilla truck. Just with everything, the fitment, a Coyote is really the best for these little F-150s. The next thing is a lot of people want to have like bucket seats, right? You're sitting on a bench seat, you've done a Coyote swap, you're sliding all over this thing, it's not super comfortable. And so we've actually made some brackets that go in some of the other trucks to put that Mustang seat in it, or an F-150 seat. You can fit the F-150, you might have to drill some holes differently, but the bracket will work for you. So what we did is we've kind of designed the same thing for here. Now, I'm just gonna show you the bracket setup. So this is a bracket you're gonna get. On the bottom, you're gonna get these pieces right here that kind of sandwich it in between and for you to bolt. The worst thing is trying to hold nuts and everything, but also sandwiches the metal, and to make sure that this is never gonna rip out of the truck if you get into an accident. It's gonna be as safe as possible. They're gonna go here, and then you're gonna get the little smaller ones that go up front right there. Then you're gonna get all the hardware, grade 8 hardware that goes in there to actually bolt this bracket in. Now, you don't have to bolt it in. You could actually choose to weld it in. I like to come off the back of the wall and just come up with a measurement from here so that when I go on the other side, I'm actually the same spot. I'm not like a 1/4 inch off one way or the other. Now the seats are electric, so it's not a giant deal if you're a little bit off. I'm such OCD with everything being perfect that I like to measure, make sure everything's good. So very cool product. These actually are on the website, and you can actually go buy these for your OBS4 truck. These holes might be in a little bit different spot, but this is specifically designed for the Mustang seat in that 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18, right around there, that seat. That's just gonna fit right in here. And you can get power seats. They do have some that have heat and air conditioning and stuff like in it, but you'll have to buy like a separate module to control the heat and the AC fan and all that stuff. But it's really easy for just running everything else. It's literally a ground wire and a red wire, hook that up, and the entire seat works. Just a nice, comfortable seat, lumbar support on the side, and you can drive your truck and you can get rowdy in it without sliding all over. So pretty cool product. Go check it out, patfender.com, and get you a set for your OBS. We'll see you next time. Thanks.